turtle, isn't it?
The turtle.
Turtle.
Turtle. That a turtle in there?
Yeah, it's a turtle in there.
Need open?
Yep, you can open that. And then I might have to make it. Something to make.
I've been Nina. I've seen Nina.
Yay! We're getting there, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It'll work.
It will work when you get in it. Want Daddy to have a try? Eh? Yeah? Come here. It's because of that sticker bit. So if we just tear it down here. Oh, it is a bit tough, isn't it? Ah.
Turtle.
Turtle!
Turtle.
Oh wow!
It's in there.
Some instructions. Wow.
Is that her?
Yeah, that's for the turtle. Things to make. Looks like you got a skateboard. And like a little skateboard ramp. And that is Raphael.
What's that?
Yeah, he's called Raphael.
What's that?
Turtle.
Then the turtle needs to go park.
Turtle needs to go on the park?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Turtle gonna play with Peppa Pig.
Yeah.
Alright.
Turtle there.
And go wherever you like.
Turtle there. I gotta do that.
You do that. Turtle! Turtle power!
No, not doing me.
Heroes in a half shell. Turtle power!
The Pepe.
They play Peppa Pig?
Yeah, I do that.
Daddy Pig, Mummy Pig. Daddy Pig. Oh. Oh.
No.
Ooh, nearly.
Do that man on top. I made the other.
Skateboard.
Turtle.
Whee! And Turtle riding around on his skateboard now.
No.
From the park.
Really, my day there. Turtle fish. Turtle fish. Yeah, take one. Whee!
Yay! Oopsie daisy.
Turtle.
There you go, Turtle.
Yeah, I little oh my dinner.